Alright, so this is the practice that you're going to be doing independently while I'm working with a small group on the floor. And so just a couple of pieces of information that you're going to want to know. Yesterday we used a strategy called GET, which stands for groups, how many in each, and then of course our total. And so I would expect you to use that strategy on every page. Number 2, there's going to be 2 answers per page. So make sure that you use your strategy, that you label the model, and then you write your multiplication and division statements out so that you can find which one accurately portrays the model that you're looking at. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with this one only because we did not look at any on the number line yesterday. And some of you may be thinking about how can I interpret this model. So number lines are considered a model that we talk about in 5th grade. And so one thing that I would be looking at as I look at this is, where does my number line end? My number line is ending on the number 5, so my total is going to be 5. So down here by T, I'm going to go ahead and write the number 5. The next thing that I'm going to be looking at would be how many groups. And so just by looking at this, that's going to be how many hops. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So my groups is going to be called 10. And then finally we want to know, well, what is each hop or each 10, one group of 10, worth? So now I'm going to break it down between what is between 0 and 1. And that's right, it's going to be 0.5. So each one of these is worth 0.5 or 5/10. Now that I've got all of the pieces of information that I need to have labeled, I'm going to go ahead and write my 2 multiplication statements over here. And remember, when we're writing a multiplication statement, it is groups times each gives us a total. Or we can quickly flip the each times groups to get the total. And then I'm going to write one division statement. The division statement always starts with the total divided by the groups to get the each. So one division statement, 2 multiplication statements. So at this time, what I would expect you to do is go back and I would expect you to use the groups, each, and total to write your 2 statements in your division, and then go back and circle the ones that match. Make sure you're careful about place value and your decimal point.